Okay, say it again. This is...
This is my eggplant I grow.
Very good. That's Asia's eggplant. She grew and she planted that too.
So I planted it.
And it
I
already...
have to water it all day.
Very good. This is my little gardener, Asia. You heard her, guys. You need to water it every day. And now it already have fruits, vegetable.
Hey,
It is a round type.
that's not your own video. That's my own video.
Okay.
This is my video.
Okay, that's
This is
it.
your own video.
Okay, this is Asia's video. And what's this, babe? Can you explain what is that?
It's
Oh,
pepper.
okay. What other plants you have?
Flowers.
The flowers.
Good.
Okay.
You have to water it all day.
Yes.
So this one is not a flower yet, so it has to keep growing.
Okay.
And here is the sun. Big. Mama!
Oh, no, it's okay. Then how about
So
your...
here is with
You
sunflower.
like that?
And here's with sunflower.
Oh, it has a very giant leaf. And
And here's
What-
water gauge.
oh, the rain gauge,
This is the water gauge.
a water gauge. Then
the
what
rain
about
gauge.
that one there?
So
Can you?
this is the tomatoes.
That's the tomato.
I need my hand.
Okay. You see that comparison, guys? And what color it will be?
Red.
Yeah, it will be red. So let's go to your other side of your plant. Can you show us your other eggplant? There, you showed it. The other types. This one. Oh, look.
Here is the other.
And what else in there? What? That's the calamansi. And what is this? Can you remember?
How about here?
Lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Oh, how about this?
And this is
You remember the name? Malunggay. And that one is basil. And how about this side here?
Kiwi.
I mean this one here.
What is it?
You forgot ampalaya.
Ampalaya.
And the other one is malunggay.
How about this?
Oh, what is that?
Kiwi.
Carrots. What is that? You have to tell us. Lettuce. And
Hey,
look at here. What is that?
red. It's red.
Oh, oh, you're picking your tomato.
You hold.
Okay.
I'm gonna get some.
Okay. How?
Hey, we need a basket.
Okay.
Look at the small basket.
Under. Finish storing your garden.
Hey. Rotten strawberry.
Rotten strawberry. And how about this one here?
Mama, can you get the basket? For
So you're done?
tomatoes?
Okay, we'll get a basket. So we're done storing your garden.
No, not yet. We need to pick the tomatoes.
Oh, just get it. Then I will just hold it. So you can put it on your video. This is your video.
I need my basket.
Oh, say bye na.
I need my basket.
Okay, say bye.
Bye. We're gonna put this.
Okay.
Mom, you get the Mom,
What?
you get my basket.
Do sit on the carrots. Okay, this is Asia's video.
My basket.
Okay. Where is Asia's ampalaya? Yeah, we will try to pick to get some ampalaya to make a stew vegetable. And I see there's a ripe one here. I missed to get it. And this one here. But it will grow. Look at the seeds. This is ampalaya or better melon. The scientific name is Momordica Charantia Momordica. So this type of ampalaya or watermelon is a small type, and it's like a rounded kind. Yeah. Yeah, I still have to show a bit of this. So here like this, it's like a rounded one. You have to pick that one because it's shiny already. That's the sign that it's mature. And this one here, you see it shine. Yeah. And here, that here, Asia's harvest.